this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with the July winners drawing. We run some challenges in the Facebook group, and we were working with the retreat kit from the first retreat of the two Sister Jam ladies. I designed that for them. It is the... let me get it. I was ready with everything in front of me, but not the papers. But it's the Press Ink Memories. It's a slimline journal, and I designed this especially for their retreat. They did a second retreat, and that was the blush pink papers, and we are working with the blush pink in August. I did have the first week free challenge papers out in the Facebook group. I made them this Saturday, but I wasn't feeling very well, so I didn't do a video, and now I'm still trying to catch up on a lot of things. So I'm so sorry, but I can't do the first week video from August. But the papers are out, and it is something with paper dolls. You can put them on tags, pockets. I can show them real quick. Because yeah, I wasn't feeling well. On Monday I still had issues. I was very tired. It comes in A4 size and also in US letter size. Although I can't find the thumbnail for the US letter size, but it has vintage ladies, like dresses, already dressed ladies, and some small tags with pockets. You can merge them onto there. You can do different things. I also included a collage sheet and a floral paper. And the blush pink papers is this month challenge kit. So when you enter and you have the challenge kit, your entry count as 2 entries, not entries. Your entry count as 2, so your name will be on the name picker wheel twice. And if you only use the free papers, your name will be on the name picker wheel only one time. These are the challenge papers from July. The first one was tag collage, not tag, tickets. I created a strip with tickets. You can put them on as edging on your pages, or I just made these, and I also made these because I also included frames, as you can see. The second challenge was a letter thingy. There also are 2 journal pages and some journal cards, and I created this letter thingy. I turned it into a pocket. I started off a little bit rocky, like what is going to happen? Is this going to go well? But it ended up well. But it has little tuck spot, and also put in the tickets from the week 1 in here. And I really had fun making these all. Although sliding them in, yes, is a challenge. And then there's another pocket over here, and I added these. And all the elements that you see are from the free papers. So it's a combination of the first week and the second week and some book pages, but everything else, and a little bit of cheesecloth, but everything else is from the kit. I even have the tape, but it's also from another kit that I created. So this was the second week, and the third week we made frames. And these are the frames I created on camera. Mine are back with book pages. And this was for the pop-up challenge, a policy envelope I created. I think it was during the live that I did together with April. So this is my policy envelope. And it closes like so. It has little bits and bobs. And this is the matchbook I did during the live of the first week retreat with the ladies, Stacy and Dana, and I made a little scrappy pad inside, not a scrappy, a notepad inside. It closes like so, and you can slide this also behind. So this is another thing I created. So I have these. I have not started a journal. I wanted to start a journal, but I couldn't. And I was pretty sure I will not be able to start a journal with the blush pink papers also. Because I really want to make this one. and I have to think about it what I'm going to do. But that's another discussion. I added all the names. I do not have my laptop ready at the moment. The battery is very low. I have all the names in here. I have a different background than I wanted because there's nothing going on a lot. Well, there's not a lot of possibilities for me on my phone. But I'm going to spin 3 times and the winner can pick a kit from my Etsy. But the new kit that are just in my Etsy are excluded. So the blush pink is not included. I'm going to spin 3 times. If your name pops up, you are the winner. But all your names, if you have more times your names, sorry, if your name is several times on the name, I will delete it from the wheel. So you can only win one time in this Facebook group. LineDotArrow does a spinning, a wheel spin. Two Sister Jam also has a giveaway with the winners, with also 3 kits from my Etsy, and Sophie's Crafty Corner also has a giveaway with 3 of my kits from my Etsy. And we would like you to contact me when you are a winner within 7 days after winning through my Etsy and tell me which papers you want to receive. You can add a link or a screenshot. But yeah, please contact me as soon as possible, because sometimes it takes weeks before somebody responds. But the rules are respond as soon as possible within 7 days. So I'm going to spin. And the person's name who pops up is going to be the winner. Of one of the 3 prizes. And the winner is Cheryl Burster. Congratulations, Cheryl. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. And Cheryl, please contact me as soon as possible. I really appreciate that. And let me know which papers you want to receive. And this is the second spin. What a sound. It sounds like the radio is off or something. Bad signal. So sorry for the noise. Oh. Sorry, my husband is texting me. The next winner is Lizelle. So congratulations, Lizelle. One moment, please. And now I'm going to spin for the 3rd prize. And that is Dorothy Kilty. Congratulations, ladies. Please contact me via my Etsy. Buying something on my Etsy store. I'm going to scroll through all the reviews that people left in July. So it's going to be the July review winners drawing. And I'm going to do the same in August with the August reviews. So yeah, your review is very, well, it means a lot if you leave me a review, but it also could give you an option to win something in the review giveaway. And the review giveaway is going to give one person a 50% discount code for a selected area of kits. I will send that to you via Etsy in the message. Not sure if anybody already knows that I'm doing that, but yeah, in case you do know, keep an eye on your messages in Etsy, because maybe you are the winner. But this is it for today. Thank you all so much for joining in the challenges. Thank you all so much for joining in August challenges. And congratulations again to all the ladies, and please contact me within 7 days to collect your free papers, and new kits are excluded. So yeah, this was it. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye.